Hey guys, so today one of the things I wanted to talk about based on yesterday's lesson is where the decimal is on a whole number. It seems like some of us got a little confused by this lesson because we didn't understand where the decimal was on a whole number. So let's take a whole number, 54,000 for instance. If I label each of the place values on this, I've got the ones place, the tens place, the hundreds place, thousands place, and then the 10,000s place. By looking at my place value chart, I know that the decimal comes after the whole number, comes after our ones place. So if I look to my ones place, I know that the last number on my whole number is going to be where the decimal is. So on 54,000, it goes after the last zero that's in the ones place. So let's try our methods that we learned yesterday, the decimal method, and look at 54,000 times 10. There's 1 0 in 10, so I'm going to move that decimal over one space, and it makes 540,000. Now what if I divide by 10? I know that the decimal goes after the ones place, that 10 has 1 0 in it, so I'm going to move my decimal back one space, and my number becomes 5,400. Let's try it with a number that has a decimal. 8.7, 10 has 1 0. I move it one space to the right, and my number goes from 8.7 to 87 when I multiply by 10. If I divide by 10, it goes the opposite way, and my number becomes 0 and 87 hundredths. Let's try dividing the number 152 by a few different powers of 10. So I know that my decimal is going to go after my ones place, which is the 2. And then 10 has 1 0, so I move my decimal back one space, and that number becomes 15.2. 100 has 2 zeros, so I'm going to move it back two spaces, and my quotient becomes 1.52. 1,000 has 3, I move it back 3 spaces, and I have 152 thousandths as my quotient. Good job. Hope you enjoy.